arts and crafts? Yes, please. Let's get artsy.
Hey, Angie here. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a beautiful macrame wall hanging. You will need a sturdy stick, some white string. If you have colored string, you can use that too. A ruler or a tape measure, some fun flavor drink mix, a pair of scissors, and 2 cups of warm water. So now you're gonna measure out your string 24 inches. So because my ruler is 12 inches, I did 12 inches twice. And then once you have it all measured out, you're gonna cut it, snip, 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 snip. And you're gonna wanna do this 9 times. Now you're gonna take your stick and you're gonna take the string. You're going to have a little loopy-doopy at the top, like that. And then you're gonna take the 2 pieces and you're going to pull them through that loop, just like that. And you're gonna tighten it to make sure it doesn't fall off. Ta-da! And you're just gonna keep going with all of the other strings. And once you've finished with all of the strings, you're gonna wanna cut another 24-inch piece and you're going to tie it to the top so it can hang. Okay, so now that we have our completed wall hanging, we get to the best part, which is the haircut. So we're gonna go hang it up somewhere and give him a haircut. So you're gonna wanna cut in a diagonal with the longest piece in the middle and the shortest pieces on the side. Please note that just because you're cutting string does not mean you can cut your hair. Trust me, I've tried. Now we're going to take our warm water and we're going to put our fruit punch mix in there and mix that all up. Don't drink the warm fruit punch. It's not good. Ugh. So now we're going to take our freshly cut wall hanging and we're going to dunk him into the hot fruit punch. Be careful because the water might be hot, and we're gonna let him sit there for 5 to 10 minutes. Welcome back, it's been 5 to 10 minutes. Now you get to take him out and you're going to squeeze out all of the excess into the cup. And look at that, how classy is that? You guys have your own macrame wall hanging. It's your turn.